Well, more rain across the area today. Severe thunderstorm warning out until 4:15 for Anderson County. Yeah, 4:15. Damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour, possibly with some small hail toward the Palestine area, toward Elkhart, northeast of Oakwood, in between US 79 and US 287 down there in Anderson County. More rain off toward Waco, toward the Groesbeck, Mahé area, more toward Breckenridge and Hubbard Creek Lake. Then just some ground color blanketing these two areas. And off to our southwest, we got some storms near San Saba and Goldthwaite, and off toward Burnett. We could have some damaging winds in these, some small hail, and they could go briefly severe at some times. So we'll have to, just see kind of what they do. But we'll continue to watch them, and of course stay tuned with Longhorn Weather for more on that. But what happened today in weather history? August 18th, 1955, Diane became the second hurricane to strike the United States East Coast in less than 1 week. So, some dramatic activity back in 1955 in the weather world. Alright, the top 10 most hail-prone cities. What number is DFW? Are we 1, 3, 7, or 5? The answer will come up at the end of this. Weather News Roundup, not changed from yesterday. Still covering the Pakistan flooding. More rain has hit the area. Although I don't think any has hit the area the past couple of days. I'm not too sure. Of course, several have died in this flooding. Many are still probably missing. Aid is finally arriving. An update from yesterday. Tropical wave still in the Caribbean. It's on that westward-northwestward movement, and it is going into favorable conditions. We also have some flooding in China. As more rain has hit the area, more have passed away because the mudslides have taken over. New mudslide has happened with about 60 missing, I do believe. Heat wave still hitting the continental United States. The United States is slowly cooling as summer winds down. The United States-Canadian border is seeing some 60s, 1 to 2 months, and I think fall will take over. Alright, so far today at Dallas-Fort Worth Airport and Waco Regional, it's been 95 at Dallas and 102 at Waco. That's the 19th consecutive day, but here's the catch. Now it's raining there. Look at the temperature in just a minute. Alright, look at those record highs back in 1909 for Dallas-Fort Worth and Waco. 112 and 109. Man, oh man. But wouldn't this feel nice? 65, 61 back in 1992. Normally, we're in the middle to low upper 90s for highs, and normally we're only about 74 at night. So we're definitely way above average. So far at Dallas-Fort Worth Airport, it's 95 degrees. High dew point 71 makes the heat index about 102. Calm winds and a 46% humidity. 83 degrees at Waco now that the rain has come in. 75 degree dew point, 77% humidity, and some light winds from the east. Level orange air pollution watch for the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. This will continue for the rest of the day and possibly into tomorrow. The winds are kind of scattered, so the air pollution could just scatter around. It won't go in one general area. Also, heat advisory for our extreme southeastern counties for another few hours. Alright, now if Dallas-Fort Worth Airport does indeed hit 100 today, then we will be having the 25th day so far this summer. Averagely, we only have 16, and this would have been the 19th day in a row. But that's assuming we hit 100. I think we will. Altogether, it is a summer of records. Right now, we're sitting at number 7, but if we hit the 100-degree mark today, we'll be bumped up to number 6 in 19 days. Tomorrow will be 20, and then we'll have to keep on going for a few days to make it to number 4. Ignore these two slides. I forgot to update them. Alright, so what about severe weather criteria? Severe weather reports so far this year. Well, Virginia ranks number 1 in the most wind. There's only been one tornado report up in Virginia. But look how many wind reports, 622. How about hail? That sits in Kansas, where they've had over 450 reports of hail. 464 to be exact, with 80 tornadoes so far this year. And how many tornadoes are reported on this yesterday? Well, it's actually been bumped up to 123 today. with Minnesota taking the lead in tornadoes. Kansas has the most reports, severe weather reports altogether, with over 1,000 reports, actually 1148 to be exact. And that number will continue to go up as a mini severe weather season takes hold over the next few months. Actually, next couple of months. Now, that's the tropical wave in the Caribbean. What I've circled north of that wave is the you-know-what zone. That area is where the waters are actually kind of primed for something to develop. So if this thing can go right over it, it could gain just enough organization to actually be classified a tropical system. And when it gets into the area, it could quickly intensify. Stay tuned for more on that. Alright, continued hot for the next few days. The air quality will remain kind of bad. Did I mention it's going to be hot? And some more stray storms tomorrow. Alright, 74 to 78 degrees again tonight. The metro area could be closer to 80. 99 to 103 tomorrow. Hot again. Some storms, especially to the south of DFW. I'm going to say 10% coverage of them for tomorrow. You know, I got it wrong today. It wasn't 10 to 20% like I said, but that's just because that cold front didn't swoop down like expected. The top 10 most hail-prone cities. What is DFW? We sit at number 5. Alrighty. That's the picture of the largest hailstone, by the way. So let's take a bigger picture of that. Over 18 inches in circumference. That is amazing, isn't it? It was the size of a volleyball when it fell in Vivian, South Dakota on July the 23rd. Alright, you too busy just to get on longhornweather.net one day? You can easily get the forecast in your email inbox by emailing us at signup@longhornweather.net, and I'll have it put in your inbox every day other than the weekends because I have to take a break. Alright, submit what you want to see on air. If you want to see a picture of that hailstone again one day, or you want to see a special news headline or the current surface analysis, shoot me an email, admin@longhornweather.net. Leave a comment on this video or something and let me know. Also, you could also now go to the forum, which you can access by going to longhornweather.net, scroll down and click the logo that says forum on it. Click on that, takes you right to the forum, sign up, easy process, post what you want about North Texas, the United States, or tropical weather, or leave us a suggestion. If you want a new category put in there, just put it in, go to suggestions and put new category and post what you want, and I'll try to get it on there as soon as possible. Alright, so that's the new feature here at Longhorn Weather is a forum. That's the biggest thing that I want to report on. So hopefully that gets some popularity. Tell your friends too, please, please, please. So, thank you for joining me today, and have another one put together tomorrow. This is This is lead forecaster Zachary from Longhorn Weather.